shower, shower. I can try.
Try. We're gonna use this water bottle to water the plants. So I put some holes on it. Okay, if this is your first time visiting our YouTube channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And we're gonna use this water bottle to water the plants. Okay.
Not like a water. Shower.
It's like a shower.
Shower the plants. I can try.
Okay, I'll try this one.
Wow, sorry.
This. Your turn. Your turn. Come on, hold this. Hold this.
It's like a shower. You need more water than that. I'm going to plants.
So the plants need water, right?
Yeah, to drink, so they won't be dry. Their leaves, sometimes their leaves get dry. That's why they need water to cool them.
Okay,
Yeah,
very good.
Some of the plants' leaves are already dry.
Okay, next on our list is the tomato and malunggay. Okay. Okay. Try. Go.
I want to do it myself. I can go down. I have to watch another one.
Okay, good job.
Water.
Okay, you say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Now it's like a puddle now.
Okay, bye-bye.